Outlook is not compliant. It's risky to store records there. Emails are easy to delete and difficult to find, which from a record standpoint is very scary. 5 to 10% of all emails are records. If you're not properly saving anything, there's a lot of risk in that. If you're saving everything, there's also a lot of risk in that. With the right tools, the right process, and right workflows, this can all be easy and automated and stored in a centralized, secure, and compliant repository like SharePoint Online. The best place to manage records is in SharePoint. Outlook is not a repository. Email records present a significant challenge, but it's a problem that can be easily solved. To learn more, check out our webinar, How to Fix Your Email Compliance Problem.